First, let's remove the fill. Open the Appearance tab and create 2 new fills. This will be a stroke. Here we'll change the color to white and apply the FX effect Path Offset Path. Set the values to your choice. In this fill, turn off the color, set the opacity to 0. Now the main thing is to check the knockout group box in the opacity. This makes our text transparent. Let's duplicate the white fill to make it a shadow. The color is gray. And we apply the FX effect Transform. Do as I do. In the opacity, select Multiplayer mode. For example, we can change the opacity here to Overlay mode and set it to 100%. The color is also white or gray. Now you can write any text. That's all. I wish you creativity and inspiration. Good luck.